Hey guys, it's Vadim and welcome to AppleInsider. As you guys can see, I have Apple's iPhone X and Samsung's S9 Plus right here, and I figured I'd do a Siri vs Bixby comparison. Since there's so many commands for each smart assistant, I can only go through so much, so let's get through this quickly. Hey Siri, open my photos from March 15th. Okay, as you can see, she opened them. Hey Bixby, open photos from March 15th.
Which one?
Okay, so apparently she doesn't start listening until she's ready, whereas with Siri, you can start speaking right away. So there's already a huge downside with Bixby. Show me my videos.
Okay, I found 67 videos.
Okay, so she pulled up my videos. Let's see how Siri does.
Here are some videos of mine I found on the web.
Okay, so that's not what I was looking for. She actually searched the web instead of looking through my videos. Show me my slow-mo videos. Okay, so that worked. She pulled up one slow-mo video. Let's try Bixby. So instead of just showing me my slow-mo video, she actually pulled one up and started playing it. Show me my calendar for next month.
Sure, here's next month. Okay, Maxime, I found 6 appointments for the next month.
Okay, so Siri actually started reading off my events for next month instead of just showing me my calendar. Will it rain on Saturday?
There's no rain in the forecast for Saturday.
Hey Bixby. Hey Bixby. Will it rain on Saturday?
It looks like there is some rain on Saturday.
Interesting. They're different. So I noticed that Bixby sometimes doesn't respond, compared to Siri, which comes up almost every time. Show me the 7-day forecast.
Expect clear skies, cloudy skies, and some rain in Spokane for the next 7 days.
Okay.
Mostly sunny with temperatures from 41 degrees to 82 degrees.
Set brightness to 50%.
Okay, I made the screen darker.
Now maximize it. Okay, she actually pulled up the YouTube app, not searched the emails.
You have 21 email messages from YouTube since April
Okay,
13th,
that works.
2018. Okay, here it is.
Okay, so she apparently can't do that. Send a new email.
To whom would you like to send this message?
Hey, it works. Max.
What's the subject of the email?
Hey,
Okay, what would you like the email to say?
send a new email.
Alright, who do you like to send this email to?
Okay, that works as well. Send this photo to Max.
Okay, we can choose how to share it here.
Cool.
Sorry, Maxie, I can't send photos for you.
Interesting. Find photos taken in Spokane, Washington.
Okay, I found 49 pictures.
Okay, so she just opened the Photos app, but she didn't give me the search results. Print this photo.
Sure thing, let's print it here.
Wow. Print this photo. Nothing. Set this photo as my wallpaper. Cool. She brought it up and I can adjust it.
I can't do that, Maxime, but you can change it in settings.
So I guess Siri can't do that. Find a word on this page.
Perfect, here's where you can search.
Okay.
I found something on the web about find a word on this page.
Totally wrong.
Check it out.
Print this page.
Let's print this page.
Awesome.
I'm having a bit of trouble here. Please try again.
I guess she can't print. Set auto lock to 15 minutes.
I can't do that, Maxime, but you can change it in settings. Which one?
So Bixby doesn't even recognize the auto lock settings. She just gives me options for the pin settings and fingerprint settings. Close all of my apps.
Done. All the apps we've used recently have been closed.
Hey, look at that.
Sorry, I can't close an app.
So let's just try closing one app. Hey Siri? Close Safari.
As much as I would like to, I
Nope,
can't
guess she
close
can't do
apps.
that. Turn on airplane mode. Okay, so she said she may not be able to do it, but she turned it on, yep.
I may stop working if you turn airplane mode on. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, I turned on airplane mode.
Cool. Find photos of Pomsky puppies.
Let's see. I couldn't find any images like... Here are some images of
Okay.
Pomsky puppies I found on the web.
Make a new contact.
Sorry, Maxime. I'm not allowed to create contacts.
Wow.
Let's select where to save it.
Cool, so she can do it. Take a selfie. Okay, oh,
Got it. The picture is
Cool.
taken.
take a selfie. Okay. So Siri opened the camera app, but she wasn't able to take a selfie. Give me the breaking news.
Uh-oh, I can't seem to open it. Here's the latest news from Fox News. Or if you prefer...
Show me my YouTube subscriptions.
Sure thing.
Okay.
You can check out your subscriptions on YouTube here.
So Siri was only able to open the YouTube app, but she didn't take me to my subscriptions. Search YouTube for 2018 iPad comparison. Cool. So
Alright, let's check your search results on YouTube here. Here are some videos of 2018 iPad comparison I found on the web. Take a look.
Siri actually searched Safari instead of going into the YouTube app and searching there. Show me the nearest gas station.
The nearest one I see is Cenex on East Trent Avenue.
Okay.
Is that the one you're looking for?
Yes.
Okay. Would you like me to get directions?
Sure.
Getting directions to Cenex? Sure. Here are the search results in Google Maps.
Bixby searched Google Maps, but she wasn't able to find the Cenex gas station. Update system software.
Okay, checking for updates.
Cool.
I'm sorry, I can't do that here.
Dead end. Search the App Store for Vainglory.
Alright, here are the search results in Google Play Store. Okay, searching for Vainglory on the App Store.
Cool, both of them got it right. Uninstall speed test.
Alright, let's confirm to uninstall the app. I can't remove apps from your iPhone. My apologies.
So Siri can't uninstall apps, but Bixby actually brings you to the app, and all you need to do is confirm. So there's just some of the commands that Siri and Bixby can handle, and to me, it seems like Bixby is more useful. She can dig deeper into settings than Siri can, but it's not like you'll be doing it often. I also like that Bixby shows up as a pop-up instead of taking over the whole screen like on the iPhone. There's also a 3-second timer before the pop-up disappears, whereas on the iPhone X, you have to swipe up to get rid of Siri. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you thought about this comparison in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe and enable notifications so you don't miss out on more videos like this one. And we'll see you in the next video.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.